What's up, Steve? Welcome to the Coom's Explorers vlog. Today we are no longer in Asia, but we're exploring England. Today we're starting off in the Cotswolds for a really popular walk. But just look at this view. So we just parked up. £7.50 for parking, by the way. Not to start the vlog on a negative.
Did you not know that we're on a bloody budget?
Yeah, do you know what I mean? Also, we are no longer travelling the UK. We're currently obviously in the Cotswolds.
We are travelling the UK.
Oh shit! Oh yeah, we are travelling the UK. Damn, I'm a bit, a bit rusty. I haven't vlogged for like 2 weeks.
We're not travelling Southeast Asia.
But we're now travelling the UK and seeing lots of new things. Pretty much our plan is now is to try and see as much UK as possible. I think we've kind of disregarded it until we start work. So we start working over 2 weeks. So hopefully we can get a lot of walking videos out. Because we haven't done a lot in the Cotswolds.
Big B.
Big B. Oh no. So as you guys know, Rim's scared of butterflies. But bees are a brand new feature, baby. So it's actually a 15-kilometre walk. So it's going to be a bit of a trek, I believe. Hopefully there's a coffee. I've been told there's a coffee shop. It's been recommended this walk.
If there's not, I'm going to be fuming.
Fuming. I promised Rim a coffee halfway through. Well, a tea and a cake, I think.
Oh, that'd be good.
Also, I've also bought Rim a little treat, so hopefully she enjoys that halfway through.
Did you bring me a chocolate bar?
Might have done.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Got one of the goated childhood snacks, Kellogg's cocoa bar. Also came all the way from Malaysia with me, so I got a bit of, bit of Asian flair, what we're saying.
Yeah.
Mmm.
I should put your fade off as well.
Whoa. I spy. Subscribe. What? Nothing beats the English countryside, baby.
It literally doesn't.
All the dogs. Does anyone know what sort of field this is? It is a lot of things, just been sprayed. There's no information on it.
Does it go into
Yeah, this is the plant. We're guessing like a strawberry plant, but we could be obviously really wrong. It's got to be something nice. Like there's nothing growing at the moment, but obviously we are in March.
What's that though? That's got to be whatever it is.
Oh yeah, it's
right?
a cauliflower.
That's not a cauliflower.
Right, all you boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, can do all me a favour and subscribe right now so I can afford to live in one of these houses. I greatly appreciate it, so to like and share this video to all your friends, all your family. Because you know what, Coom's Explorers, I'm telling you, we're going to go global, and when we do, you're going to want to say you're the first one here.
What have these people done as a job to get these houses? Like,
It's crackers, isn't it?
look how lush they are.
Yeah, absolutely unreal stunning houses. If you fair play, you made it, man. Fair.
Big B.
Trying to record a nice little video here, and that's what I get. That's what I got to deal with. Would you look at that view? Would you just look at that view? Boom! We haven't actually seen anyone else walking at the moment, which is actually really good, but it is a Wednesday. Is it Wednesday today?
Yeah.
So it's a Wednesday, yeah. So I mean, that might be why, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I can't do the sun's out as well. We've got literally perfect weather for this walk.
It's actually hot.
It is hot, yeah, but I'm in just t-shirt.
What's that? Eagles?
I'm not going to see it on the camera. There's things flying around here. I got to look, subscribe. Before Rim had like a little moment, seeing birds and all that. They're probably falcons as well, not eagles, but I mean, it's fine. You know what I mean? I'm not going to articulate my knowledge of birds.
Yeah,
anyway, so I'm in a t-shirt, Rim's actually in shorts. Also, it's a little bit hot. She did just have a jumper off.
Yeah, actually, I'm going to take it off again.
Because it is, we've got a little bit of a hill as well, look at this. A steep incline, baby. It's not. We found our space to eat.
So someone's put this here.
Perfectly for us, buddy. There's a gorgeous view of the English countryside.
Perfect.
So what sandwich have you gone for?
I've gone for ham and cheese, but my sandwich is a little bit squashed from the water bowls.
Any crisps you got there?
Oh, yeah. Cheese and onion.
If you don't gather, Rim likes cheese.
So what have you gone for?
So I've gone for a ham sandwich, but I've gone for a bit more bougie, I'd say.
You've got a bit more.
I've gone tiger loaf.
Yeah, I haven't. I've just got normal.
Plain Jane bread. And also I've also gone for a packet of cheese and crisps. I also just found the floor. I would pick it up right now, but can't reach. Small arms. Like a T-Rex, really.
Yeah, okay.
I just finished our food. Got a little bit of a wipe from the airline. Thank you, big up. Who do we fly with? China 7. Thank you very much. Also, thank you very much for getting me home as well. Do you know what I mean? Positive thinking.
That's true. Been home from travelling for about 10 days now, is it? Must be 10 days. And I feel like we were like kind of chilling the first week. I think we both felt a bit run down.
Yeah. I've got like an ulcer and I got like a bit of a sinus problem in my jaw and stuff
and
like
I think because we didn't sleep for 48 hours, I think it did take us a long time to adjust. And I didn't think we were jet lagged.
No, I think we're just exhausted.
We were just exhausted.
Obviously, travelling takes a lot out of you. If you've been away, you know actually how it is and stuff.
So now I think I think we're past that, and now we're like ready to like hike, and
so
I think we've got energy.
Yeah, we didn't get back to our jobs for 2 weeks, so we've got 2 weeks to be able to do what we want to do, and it's quite nice, to be fair.
And I think we're going to do
we
more
want
of
to explore the
this.
English countryside a bit more. Trying to look at my trail. A little ladybug on my screen.
Ladybug.
Ladybug. A little bug. So if anyone else's wife do this thing, you won't get down from a ledge as I help them.
I can't get down.
She can't get down, so you've got to give her a little hand. And she can get down. Just hit the 6k mark. So feeling good, to be fair. It's actually a really nice, gentle walk. I'm walking over the hill now. But everything is just nice, gentle. It's nice and easy, I think.
Yeah, it's just like you don't have to think too much.
Exactly. Also, it's all signposted, which is actually really nice. It's one of those walks, when you do like an ultra walk, you've got a constant on your phone.
Yeah.
None of this here, which is really nice. What I will say is, guys, I need to let you know some suggestions that you guys have. I'd really appreciate it.
Oh, for hikes.
For hikes, yeah. Any suggestions you guys down, let me know down below in the comments.
We want to do more of the Cotswolds because we do like a lot of Wales, Brecons.
Yeah, because we live in Bristol, so obviously we don't want something too far. At the moment, maybe 2 hours is like our maximum, but anywhere around Bristol will be good.
This was an hour drive to get to, which isn't too bad.
Which is perfect, really. Like, it's not too far, and somewhere new, but we've done like pretty much all of the Brecons. So anything new, let me know, baby.
Baby.
I take it back, it was a little bit steep. I hate Vietnam.
I hate Vietnam.
Sheep. Bah.
Oh, you actually looked up?
Oh shit. My guy, what's up? Look at that for an old school fish and chip shop, Greedy's. You just know that's got to be good, like surely. You're in the Cotswolds. That's something that like screams a bag and chipping. The old butcher as well.
That looks nice.
God, yeah, it's a little bit too fancy for us at the moment, I think. We're looking for like a coffee shop to get like, I want an iced Americano. Rim wants probably a matcha.
Oh, they have it.
They have it. Yeah, who would have guessed, eh? Rim getting a matcha. Who would have thought? Yeah, so if you guys want to get me enough cigars, I can buy this, house, 1.75 million. I'd really greatly appreciate it, guys.
I want this one, 2 million.
2 million. Alright. So if you want to help me get my wife a £2 million house.
Donations done.
Donation, yeah. I've got to make it like a GoFundMe, baby. GoFund Kings Explorers Mansion. We're going to go to Stow Town Coffee, I believe. It was open, fingers crossed. Is it open? Oh, it is. It's a little shop. Oh, this is cute. This is perfect. Let's get a coffee, baby. Coffee has been acquired. We went for a tea. They don't think they had matcha, did they?
No, actually, they didn't do ice drinks.
Yeah, because it was too, obviously, I mean, it is the winter, technically. Which makes sense. I think you got to run a coffee machine, costs money.
It was like a cute little, so you couldn't sit in, but it was, but it was like
a little roastery.
A little like latch that she just opened up.
It's really nice. Yeah, she was really, really friendly as well, which always makes a difference. Anyway, Americano try, baby. I went for Americano. Went for a white this time.
You got a little petal in your hand.
Ooh.
Ah.
Thanks, babe. Perfect coffee. That's all you really want.
My tea's a bit too hot.
Too hot to try. It's fair, all tea tastes the same, really, within reason. I mean, tea haters and tea makers will maybe say, they all taste different, but trust me, they all taste the same. So just saw a wild bunny, but you've got horses, you've got sheep over here. It's like literally, I'm going to show you this bench. It's like a perfect bench. Look at the sheep. But look at this bench. Like whoever's put this bench here has thought, they've cooked. This is, like when you're like a teenager and you want to get high. This is the perfect bench to sit there and be like,
oh yeah,
yo man,
always do that.
I'm blazing.
Yo.
420 and all that.
Oh, was a break there.
Just breaks into the favourite bench. Yeah, look at this view.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
It's almost perfect.
Perfect.
This is the outfit of the day. I'll show you what I've gone for. I've gone for a Bristol City Gymshark running shoes. Boom, outfit of the day, baby. This is the outfit of the day. Bum, bum, bum.
I am here to slay. Anyway, I've got a Colombian fleece on. I've got Amazon basic shorts and Solomon shoes.
She's flexing on today's styles, do you know what I mean? She's the cool one. I am not.
Oh, there's another one.
Doggies. Hello. Oh, you're so friendly.
Oh my god. Ollie's got a new friend.
Name's Steve.
Everyone
meet Steve.
Hey Steve.
What's that, Steve? They should subscribe. They should like and subscribe.
He said subscribe.
Wow. Every subscribe gets Steve one more stick.
Oh, that is so cute. Smile. But you got loads of friends.
and dog whisperer, who do you say? I've never seen elephants, whale sharks, fun with all that sort of crazy stuff, but everyone loves a dog. I can't believe how stunning this area is. Also, look at the freaking state of that house. That is just unreal. To have that much land must be just the most incredible feeling.
Yeah, also, what a gorgeous house that must be.
Oh yeah, that's old. That's older than me.
It's got like even his own statue.
It's older than Tam. Fucking hell. Today on Coombs Explores Pissy Watch, you can see.
Pissy.
For fuck's
Pissy
sake.
Watch.
Like I say, you got a fishy with a pushy, baby. You got some fish. Fuck.
Oh, it's freezing.
I'm recording just in case she falls in. Damn it, you could have just fallen in for the vlog.
Oh, sorry.
Right,
Let me go again. Jeez.
We can't believe how clear the water is. It's literally crystal clear. That's so swimmable.
If I had my swimming wear, I would actually swim in that.
Yeah, it's literally perfect.
Also, it's bloody hot.
It is bloody hot. Yeah. You would have thought it was March, eh? Fucking hell. Sweating me tits off. We've currently got a few obstacles that I obviously haven't got hiking shoes. Which is the most ideal situation. Fuck it off. If she didn't lose me hiking shoes from here, she's meant to be the woman who can find me anything, but she can't find my hiking shoes. Like,
Woman?
do your fucking job, innit? Do you know what I mean? Ooh. Morning.
Morning.
POV, English people every walk. So just hit the 3 hour mark. We're currently nearly 12k into the walk.
Ooh.
Smashing it. In fact, we probably are 12k because I only started like recording it afterwards.
Oh, yeah,
This is our current view. It's still in the English countryside. Literally perfect weather. A little bit of wind. It's not too
I
hot.
think I actually might have burnt.
Probably. This is what happens when you marry a ginger, lads. Honestly, if you want to give me one tip, don't marry a ginger. It's not worth it.
No, we're fun.
Yeah, they are. Just got a quick question from Rim. Oh, she's found a stick.
Yes.
So what was it like to get navigated around a walk and just be able to chill and not...
Do you know what? I've been someone's navigated me around the world before, and do you know what? It's really good just being able to just like relax and chill, because as a woman, like, you have to do quite a lot of things, cook, clean and stuff. And do you know what? I'm just gonna let you navigate me around the world, and then I can live my best life. Also, look at this stick.
Go on, pick it up. Go on, try. Wow. Really strong. Got a balance beam, baby. I was never good at these as a kid. Oh, I did it. Go on, your turn. Cute little river. Is it the slaughter country? That looks nice.
This
Looks so fancy for us. Looks absolutely gorgeous though.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. How many times do I say gorgeous in each vlog? I reckon at least 6.
And baby.
And baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go for a walk, baby. Let's get some pussy, baby. Sorry. Bro, this isn't what happens when I just keep waffling. Like, don't.
Yeah,
everyone just cut. Everyone cut right now. Skip 10 seconds. Can I keep waffling, baby? Subscribe. Why do we never just bow back to me now? That is a fluffy sheep though. That looks like a bit of a good cuddle.
Go on there.
I'm scared. I thought you instead.
Okay.
Hey, why'd you have to poo everywhere? Ew. So we are now in Bourton-on-the-Water, and it all of a sudden got absolutely rammed. There's so many people. Proper little tourist destination. We're taking a little photos.
It is really nice.
It is nice, yeah, definitely. Wow, another river. Oh, that's confusing, isn't it? One of our friends actually got married very close to here, and we went for food the night before, so we had a quickie send a photo to them. We got Josh and Kat. I don't know, watch the vlogs. Who knows? Whether you do? Love you lots. And we have made it back to the car park, baby. We have done 15.25k. Bit more over that because I didn't start recording at the start. That wraps up the fucking vlog, baby.
22,000 steps, 4 hours of walking.
Let's go, baby. Honestly, a really, really nice walk.
Yeah,
I felt chilled the whole way around. It wasn't very busy. There weren't a lot of people.
It was
You just
sunny.
chill, talk. A lot of animals to see. Yeah, it's very, very good.
If there's animals on a walk, it's always worth it.
It's always worth it. Also, there's a lot of places to stop to get food, but obviously we didn't stop. Oh, touch. Oh, you won. You won the race. Anyway, that wraps up today's vlog. Remember to like, subscribe, and peace. Quick bonus clip. I will put the all trails link in the comments below, and also I'll put our stats here now. Boom, editing style, baby. Peace.